This is Marv and Monty with Hesitation Subway.
Hey, welcome to Subway, welcome again. So, you guys do breakfast then, huh? That's cool. You guys do a lot of breakfast then?
Yeah, we do breakfast, yeah.
That's great, that's great. I think I wanna... So can I get breakfast now?
Yeah, breakfast served anytime. That counts now.
Okay.
Now.
Oh, because a lot of that looks really good. I'll have a BMT.
You want some egg on that or something? Or?
Oh no, that would be disgusting. No, I want just a BMT on white, please.
Trust me, dude, it's disgusting either way.
What I'd really like on my BMT though, if you could do this for me, is I'd really like, I'd like to put on some,
ice cream.
I'd like to put some ice cream on. Is this a Goodrich? Subway Goodrich?
Yeah, it's a Subway Goodrich Pepper Jacks.
I don't want it toasted.
That's okay, it's okay.
Just want, ice cream on a BMT, no toast.
Yeah, obviously, yeah. I'll make it put 3 scoops. You want vanilla, chocolate, or, monkey?
Freezer!
Sorry, I had some of the bean dip ice cream. That's why it's coming out like that.
No, I don't think I want the bean dip. I'll go with just like vanilla on the BMT. Vanilla on the BMT, that's all I want. Hey!
Hey.
I'm having some ice cream on my BMT.
Don't talk to me.
Hey, man, there's 4 people in the back, but you're gonna be waiting.
Yeah, you said that before, but I'm getting ice cream on it?
Look, I gotta get to work. I work down at the,
Home Depot.
World Shop. The Corn Depot. I will get fired.
Oh, now I recognize you. Yeah, that's you.
Alright,
I'll pick up her sandwich.
Touch my sandwich, sir. Not.
Alright.
I got it, no hands.
I got a BMT on with 3 scoops of vanilla. What other toppings? There's like 90 condiments here.
Yeah, I want spicy mustard, banana peppers, and then I would also like some
Taco meat!
taco meat.
We're at Taco John's Pepper Jack Subway Goodrich.
I'm so glad I didn't go to the Amigos, Winchell's, King's,
Runs up
Friends of Thing.
Pretty good.
Look, I just want Mexi fries. I don't want a line jump, but I gotta get to work because we're having a special on tits.
That was can't.
Huge special on tits today.
I'm so glad you came in.
The other 3 are lacking.
Oh boy.
Alright, you want this as a combo or you want this as just the sandwich?
No, I want a combo. I want the sandwich, a drink, and I'd also like...
You're on.
I'm sorry, your porn? I'd like your personal stash of porn, please.
Okay, let's pretend like it's still the 90s and that's not on the internet.
I can't get on the internet. They won't let me use the library anymore. Thank you for wrapping up my sandwich.